All right, guys, welcome back. Danny here with Pro Transmissions and Automotive of Athens. So I am doing a voiceover on this because I didn't realize we had a microphone issue until after we recorded this, and the car is no longer with us. So I apologize. Stick with us as quick as we can. But today's client is a 2022 Volvo XC90. Customer's complaint was the gear shifter wouldn't come out, and there was a bunch of lights on the dash. It looked like a darn Christmas tree. Um, so I'm gonna show y'all actually what the dash looked like. Give me just a second. So as you can see, it had a bunch of lights on the dash, and unfortunately for this customer, it only had 54,000 miles. This is what we found. It had it's called OBD firewall control module. Was sitting in a bunch of water. Hold on, let me show y'all the picture real quick. So as you can tell, this whole under this seat is covered in water. There's puddles of water, and that module was just sitting in there in water. So that whole connector was corroded, full of corrosion. So with that being said, we had a bunch of codes, which I'll link all the codes here in a second. But it was a bunch of communication codes. We couldn't get any communication in the CAN bus network. Sorry, I take that back. We didn't have any communication in through a regular the LIN bus CAN bus system, so we had to go through global to be able to pull any codes, and it had communication codes. Here's the video or here's a clip to that. Now what we found was the culprit was actually going to amaze you. This sunroof drain was actually draining into the driver's side floorboard. So after we undid the clog in that drain, it was fixed after that, and the customer had no more issues. We replaced the module, had it programmed, and she's good to go. Guys, come back and check us out. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video, and see you on the next one.